Hey guys, in this video, let me share you the Google Chrome new AI features. These features are really helpful on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So once you open the Google Chrome browser, make sure you are updated to the latest version. So go to the help and click on about Google Chrome. This is the version I am currently using. Now in the settings page, here is the option AI innovations. Click on this. Now here click on Gemini in Chrome. Now here is the two new options. Show Gemini at the top of the browser. Just enable this option. So once you enable at the top of your Google Chrome browser, you will see Ask Gemini. Just tap here, you will get a sidebar. So now you can get information about the tab you are currently using. Let's say you are shopping something like a t-shirt like that means. So during that time, you can use this Ask Gemini and you can ask the Gemini what type of matching shorts wearables you can use for this t-shirt. So you'll get a result like this. So since the Anthony Marto yellow typography t-shirt, so you will get some results like for everyday casual look. So here is a slim fit chinos and stretch chinos. So like this, for every tab, whatever tab you're using, you can click on the Ask Gemini and you'll get a more details, more summarized details on that tab using this Ask Gemini feature in your Google Chrome browser. And also one more example, even if you're watching any YouTube video also, you can just click on the Ask Gemini and you can get the summarized details about that YouTube video as well. Next new AI feature is that show Gemini in system tray and turn on keyboard shortcut. Just to enable this option. This is really one more useful feature. And also there is a keyboard shortcut like Alt plus G. You can also customize the keyboard shortcut. Here convert to Control plus G also. You can customize as per your wish. Now in the Windows 11 PC or a laptop, in the desktop itself, you can press Ctrl plus G. Now the Google Gemini window automatically opens up. So this will be really instantly opens and you no need to open a Google Chrome browser also every time. So in case if you have any doubt, you want to immediately ask something means you can just use the keyboard shortcut and Gemini will immediately open. You can get all the details. So whatever you want. So if you want to search something, you will get the details about that instantly right from your Windows PC desktop itself. You can also directly access to Gemini right from the hidden icon. So here it is, toggle Gemini in Chrome. Just click on this to open that particular Gemini window. Apart from that, some more options here, closed captioning, keep the Gemini sidebar open when you open the new tab. When you enable this option, so let's say if I open Ask Gemini means, whenever I open a new tab, in all the new tab that sidebar, Gemini sidebar will be shown. So if you don't want like this means, so you can disable this option. Now, whenever you open a new tab, it will not open up. If you want, you can manually open the Gemini sidebar by clicking on here. Then there is some additional options like if you give some additional permission, then the Gemini will works much more better, like precise location and microphone access for a Gemini live feature. So these are all really helpful for your laptop. So if you are having a microphone support means directly you can speak with the Gemini live to get all the information up to date. Finally, you already know that the integrated AI feature is that help me write feature. If you are typing any new message or new mail to someone, or you want to enter something interestingly means you can use the help me write feature. So if you are composing new mail means just right click and here is the option help me write. Here you just want to enter the words or whatever the things you know, just enter it simply. So and finally here is the option polish, elaborate, formalize like that. So then Gemini automatically correct all the grammar mistakes and what are the way to polish that old sentence. All the things managed by Gemini and finally you will get a better version of your message. Well, overall, these are all the new AI features on the Google Chrome browser. So that's it about this video, guys. Hopefully, if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.